welcome back. Oh my god, there's an echo in this room now. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry if you guys hear a little bit of an echo. I try to reduce it a little bit by putting a blanket down on the floor right now. No clue if it's actually helping, but worth a shot. We just tore out the carpet inside of my beauty room and we just laid down some beautiful vinyl flooring. I'm so happy with the results of it, but I totally forgot to take into account that there might be an echo once there's wood floor in here and no carpet. And there is, so I'm gonna need to buy a carpet ASAP. Or not a carpet, a nice rug for the floor here so that way we can reduce the echo in here. I promise I will get that fixed ASAP. But for today, we have a brand new subscription box, at least for my channel. I have not done an unboxing or review on this before. This is the GlossyBox monthly subscription box for May. If you guys remember back in December, I actually got my very first GlossyBox advent calendar. That one was honestly really amazing. That was definitely one of my favorite advent calendars. Had some really great items in there, so I'm excited to see what they have inside of their GlossyBox subscription box. So this is going to be a monthly subscription box, kind of like BoxyCharm and Ipsy. This one is supposed to be $21 a month, and it says that they're supposed to have 5 deluxe and full size of products inside of the box every month, so I guess you're supposed to get a little bit of a mix. I don't know, we will find out. Seeing as this is my very first GlossyBox subscription box, we're finding out together. Woo, there we go. Ooh, check that out. Look at that, that is a really cute box. It says Wild Thing all over it. I love a good box. I don't know if it's just me, but I always keep the really cute boxes. You know, you can put some cute stuff in there, put it on display. Why not? It says explore your wild side. Oh, so there's 2 patterns to the boxes you could get. Looks like cheetah and the zebra. At least I think it's cheetah print. I always get confused. There's so many similar ones. And then, oh, so this is gonna be your pamphlet that tells you everything that is gonna be coming inside of the box. So love that. But let's get into the goodies. All right, so jumping in here to the very first product. This is the Aiko I Do Liquid Eyeliner. This actually looks very familiar. I think I have this liquid liner. Oh, okay, so close. I had the Aiko Skinny Liquid Liner, so this one is different. And this is gonna be a full size that retails for 22 bucks. Let's do a little swatcheroo here. It is a felt tip, just a classic black liner here. It says it's a budge-proof, smudge-proof, waterproof liquid liner, which I actually have found to be the case with their other one, the skinny one. This one is definitely very budge-proof, and I have enjoyed that one, so I'm excited to give this one a whirl. I've actually been needing a new liquid liner. Mine have been sadly crying out. So I'm excited to give it a go. All right, so that was our first one. Let's dive into our second here. And it looks like we got a lip product. This is the Bellapierre Kiss Proof Lip Cream. This is again another full-size item, so it retails for 20 bucks. And I got the shade Rose Petal. Wow, it smells super sweet. Kind of hard to pinpoint the exact scent of it, but it smells like a gummy candy to me. Maybe like a Starburst? Oh, that smells good. Let's get that on my lips. Bam. That is a gorgeous color, very even in the pigmentation too. I don't have any spotting with it being such a rich purple. You know, that's one thing to look out for, but it definitely looks really even all around. It is a liquid lip, so it's drying down pretty quickly here. Gotta be careful to not really smack my lips before it fully dries. But really, it is a gorgeous shade. I definitely really like the way that looks. So that was our second item in the box. Let's go on to our third. We got a little Ella Miss here. This is their Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. It says that this is travel size and has an MSRP of $14. And I just had to do a little double check if they actually sold this size, and they do. On Ulta's website. They have this exact size for 14 bucks. So that's kind of cool. And it just looks like that on the inside. It's just gonna be a balm. So you just scoop out the product. Ooh, smells good. A little bit of an orangey, citrusy hint in there. But yeah, so this is just supposed to be a regular cleansing balm, but they do put a little tip here that says, for a deep cleansing session, apply a thin layer on and leave it for 10 minutes like a mask. That's kind of cool, a little multi-purpose use. I kind of like to keep these travel size products for when I actually do travel, because sometimes the products can just be so large and I don't always have travel bottles, so I like to keep these and save them for some trips. So I think that's what I'm gonna do with that one. I'll save that for when we get out of town. Then it looks like we got 2 more products inside of the box. So let's go on with this one. This is a sheet mask, it looks like. It is a CBD face mask, the charcoal. It's supposed to purify and brighten. It only comes with 1. It is kind of a pricey sheet mask, at least for me. I like the $1 to $2 to $3 sheet masks. This one is $6.99. Maybe it's because they put the CBD in there, because it also says it's 50 milligrams of hemp-based cannabinoids. Did I say that right? I had to look into this one because I'm really curious what that CBD hemp-based cannabinoid is supposed to do in there. It says on the back here what the charcoal is supposed to do, but nothing about the CBD. It says the charcoal, of course, is supposed to absorb impurities, the excess oil, and it's supposed to help to brighten the skin. And so looking on their website here, they're saying that the CBD in there is just supposed to be an added boost here, which is supposed to help clear the pores, flush out environmental particles, dirt, debris. And it's just saying that it's supposed to absorb deeper into the skin. I mean, this is totally new to me. If you guys use a lot of CBD skincare products, let me know if you have seen any more benefits with it having that added CBD, because I mean, this is totally new to me. And then we just have our last product of the box. This is the Steve Laurent. It is an eyeshadow palette, which has the same theme as the Wild Things box, which actually, maybe this was a collaboration for them, because it says the palette name is Wild Thing. It is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette retailing for $38. It is a full size. There's 4 mattes and 5 shimmer metallic looking ones. Let's do some swatches. Here we have it. Definitely a more neutral tone palette, but it does definitely go with the theme of the Wild Things. I kind of think more neutrals when I think of like wilderness. You don't exactly think of bright out there colors, you kind of think more neutral tones, which I think this palette definitely helps to convey. This Steve Laurent palette is going to be a totally new formula for me to actually test out and play with. I haven't tried any shadows from this brand before. I think I got something from them in the advent calendar, but I'm pretty sure it was a lip product. It wasn't an eyeshadow, I know that for a fact. So it'll be fun to play with this one and test out their formula, see what we got to work with. And that was it. That was the whole box now. So let's see, we ended up getting the palette, got the face mask, the cleansing balm, a lip product, and a liner, all for 21 bucks. So we got the 5 items, and it was only one product that was a travel size, which was the LMS. All the other ones were full size. At least I would hope the face mask is also a full size. It's just like a teeny one for the nose. So let's do a quick calculation here of the value. And we got $100.99. That is really good, so you definitely get well over what you paid, which is only $21. But yeah, not bad for my first ever GlossyBox subscription box. I enjoyed that this box definitely had a lot of different products than a lot of the usual subscription boxes, and I think that's because it is a UK brand. So they have different brands than the ones you would typically see in like BoxyCharm and Ipsy, which is kind of fun. But definitely let me know what your guys' thoughts were on this subscription box down below in the comment section. I love hearing from you guys. And yeah, that's where I'm gonna be wrapping up today's video. I hope you liked the different subscription box here. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!